functions theorem 5. Let f from a to b is a function. Let from a to b is a function, and I a from a to a is identity function. Identity function. F from a to a is a function, and identity from a to a is also identity function. Then prove that f circle IA equal to IA circle f equal to f. So here I am taking a function f from a to b. Simply it is a function. So we don't know it is a 1 1 onto surjection. Simply it is a function. It may be 1 1 onto or subject by this, whatever it is, but simply it is function. It may be or may not be by the step 1 1 onto. Okay, f from a to b is a function. IA identity. So already we discussed identity function is denoted with I. So since it is mapping from a to a, that's why we represented it with IA. IA from a to a is identity function. We need to prove these three functions are equal. So proof. First, f from a to b is a function. F from a to b is a function. IA from a to a is identity. IA from a to a is identity function f and IA. So f circle IA I am taking. F circle IA. So this is f, this is IA. Second domain, first codomain. Second IA domain A. So first f codomain B is a function. Next IB circle f. F circle IA equal to, actually this is IB. IB circle f equal to f. IB circle f. So IA comma actually IB. IA comma IB. IA comma IB are identity functions. Then prove that f circle IA equal to IB circle f equal to f. So to find IB circle f, I want to take a function IB from B to B is also identity. Identity function is nothing but domain and codomain are same. If the domain and codomain are A, we call the function IA. If the domain and codomain of identity function are B, we call that function with IB. Next, IB circle f. IB circle f maps. So in this IB first, f second. Second domain, second f domain A. First IB codomain B. So IB circle f from A to B is function. IB circle f from A to B is function. Okay, these two are functions. So f, we need to prove f circle IA equal to IB circle f equal to f. So f circle IA, IB circle f. All mappings A to B, A to B, A to B. So first, if two or more functions are said to be equal, their domain should be same. So here the domains are same. That's why I am writing f circle IA comma IB circle f comma f are defined on same domain. This is very important. Same domain. This line. If it is same, if it doesn't contain same domain, the functions won't be equal. Okay. Now let A belong to A and B belong to B. I am taking one element in set A. So A belong to A, another element B in set B. So f of A equal to B simply. So So A is associated with B, and IA of A equal to A. So identity function is nothing but, so every element is associated with itself. A is associated with A for all A belong to A. IB of B equal to B for all B belong to A. IA of A equal to A, IB of B equal to B. So these two are the identity functions. Now we need to prove F circle IA. What is the domain? Common domain A. F circle IA of A equal to F of IA of A. F of IA of A. So F of IA of A equal to identity function. So identity function IA of A equal to A. So this is equation number 1. Next, IB circle F of A equal to IB of F of A. So actually composition of function definition, F of A equal to what? F of A equal to B. IB of B. What is IB of B? IB of B equal to B. Okay, this B equal to IB of B and F of A. So which is equal to F of A. Equation 2 from 1 and 2. So F circle IA of A equal to IB circle F of A equal to F of A. So if we observe all these, so these are images. All these are images of A. All these images are equal. If all the images are equal and defined on the same domain, then the functions are said to be equal functions. Therefore, F circle IA equal to IB circle F equal to F. So this is the required result. Next, fifth theorem, theorem 5. So let F from A to B is bijection. So here F is bijection. In the previous theorem, simply it is function, but here it is bijection. And IA, IB are two identity functions. IA, IB are two identity functions defined on A comma B respectively. IA comma IB are two identity functions defined on A comma B respectively. Next, then prove that F circle F inverse equal to IB and F inverse circle F equal to IB. So we need to prove this one. F circle F inverse equal to IB and F inverse circle F equal to IB. Next, coming to the proof. First, F from A to B is bijection. So F is bijection. F inverse from B to A is also bijection. So a function is bijection, then only its inverse is exist. Previously, here it is F from A to B is a function. Here F inverse does not exist, need not be exist. If it is bijection only, then it is exist. So F is function, F inverse need not be exist, but here F is function, F inverse is definitely exist, and the inverse function is always bijection. If inverse is exist, then it is bijection. So inverse function is also bijection. Okay, now so F inverse from B to A is also bijection. Okay, now identity function from A to A is identity. Identity function from B to B is also identity function. Okay, I is identity. Now F circle F inverse. F circle F inverse from, so first second domain F inverse domain B to F first codomain B. F circle F inverse from B to B is function F inverse circle F. So F inverse circle second F domain. So first F inverse codomain A is function. So if we observe, we need to prove F circle F inverse equal to IB, F circle F inverse equal to IB. These two are on the same domain, these two of same domain. So that we are writing. First, let A belong to A and B belong to B. F of A equal to B implies A equal to F inverse B. We must write this one when F is bijection then only. Here F of A equal to B, but we won't write A equal to F inverse B. Since it is bijection, we can write F of A equal to B implies A equal to F inverse B. Okay, next A equal to F inverse of B. Ladder IA of A equal to A for all A belong to A. IB of B equal to B for all B belong to B. IA of A equal to A and IB of B equal to B. So F circle F inverse and IB are same domain. F circle F inverse comma IB are defined on same domain. F circle F inverse and comma IB are defined on same domain. If these two are defined on same domain, the domain is equal to B. So F circle F inverse of B equal to F of F inverse of B. F inverse of B equal to A F of A. So F of A equal to F of A equal to A. So F inverse of B equal to A, F of A equal to B. So this B equal to IB of B. IB of B. So here these two domains are same and corresponding images are equal. Therefore F circle of F inverse equal to IB. Now I want to take F inverse circle F comma I want to prove this two. So are equal. So these two are defined on same domain. Are defined on same domain. So these two sets are defined on same domain. So the domain is F inverse circle F IA. So observe these two. The domains are same, defined on the same domain. So domain is A. So I want to take the element in A. So F inverse circle F of A equal to F inverse of F of A. So F inverse of F of A equal to B. Next, F inverse of B equal to A. This A we can write it as A equal to IA of A. IA of A. F inverse circle F of A equal to IA of A. So the images are equal. F inverse circle F equal to IA. F inverse circle F equal to IA. So F circle F inverse equal to IB. Therefore F circle F inverse equal to IB and F inverse circle F equal to IA. So end of it. So this is the required proof. Okay, one more theorem. Theorem number sixth theorem. So the theorem is let F from A to B and G from B to C be two bijections. Then prove that G circle F whole inverse equal to F inverse circle G inverse. So F from A to B, G from B to C, B to bijection, then prove that G circle F whole inverse equal to F inverse circle G inverse. So we need to prove. So first, already we know F and G are bijections, then automatically G circle F is also bijection. Proof. F from A to B is bijection. F from A to B is is bijection. G from B to C is also bijection. So already according to the third theorem, F from A to B and G from B to C be two bijections. Composition of function is also bijection. G circle F from A to C is also bijection. So it is also bijection. So a function is bijection, then only the inverse is exist. Here F is bijection, so F inverse exists and G is also bijection. G is bijection, then G inverse is exist, it is also bijection. G circle F is bijection, its inverse is also bijection. So first F inverse from B to A is bijection. G inverse from C to B is bijection. G circle F whole inverse from C to A is also bijection. Okay. F inverse bijection, G inverse bijection, G circle F from A to C, whole inverse from C to A bijection. Okay. G circle F from C to A bijection. So this we need to prove this one. First I want to check the domains and codomain. F inverse circle G inverse. If we are taking F inverse from circle G inverse, second domain G inverse domain C. First F inverse codomain. F inverse codomain A is also bijection. This is also composition of functions. Okay. So these two functions domain same. So that I want to write. G circle F whole inverse and F inverse circle G inverse are defined on same domain. So these two functions are defined on same domain. Now we want to prove the functions are equal. So if two functions are same domain and if those two functions are having same images, then the functions are equal functions. So if we are taking these two functions are same domain, the domain is C. So let A belong to A, three sets A, B, C, B belong to B, C belong to C. A, B, C are the elements. A belong to A, B belong to B, C belong to C. Since F is bijection, F of A equal to B. Since it is bijection, A equal to F inverse of B. A equal to F inverse of B. Next, G of B equal to C. Since G is bijection, we can write B equal to G inverse of C. Now, G circle F whole inverse. G, before doing G circle F whole inverse, I want to take G circle F first. G circle F mapping A to C, I am taking element in G circle F. I won't get a G circle F whole inverse directly. That's why I am taking G circle F of A. So G of F of A equal to G of F of A equal to B. This is B. G of B equal to C. G circle F of A equal to C implies A equal to G circle F whole inverse of C. A equal to G circle F whole inverse of C. I am letting this is equation number 1. So we got a G circle F whole inverse of C. And one more, F inverse circle G inverse. This domain also C. I am taking element in C. So F inverse circle G inverse of C equal to F inverse of G inverse of C. So F inverse G inverse of C equal to G of B equal to C, B equal to G inverse C. So G inverse of C equal to B. F inverse of B. So F inverse of B equal to A. This is equal to A. So F inverse circle G inverse of C equal to A, equation number 2. So here this is A equal to, this is A equal to, the equation 1 and 2, these two are equal. So G circle F whole inverse of C equal to F inverse circle G inverse of C. So here the domains of two functions are equal and the images are also equal. So then these two functions are said to be equal. So therefore G circle F whole inverse equal to F inverse circle G inverse. This is the required proof.